Bitcoin rallied above $118,000 this week, driven by regulatory breakthroughs and institutional demand. But by week's end, profit-taking pulled it back toward $115,500. President Trump signed the Genius Act into law, creating the first federal framework for stablecoins and mandating one-to-one backing with USD or treasuries. The law also bans yield-bearing stablecoins, sparking renewed confidence in Ethereum since most stablecoins are built on its blockchain. Stablecoin regulation sent crypto markets surging. Bitcoin climbed toward its recent ETH of $123K while altcoins significantly outperformed. Ether rose 3-4%, Solana soared 6-7%, XRP and Dogecoin jumped 5-8%. Ethereum ETFs recorded huge inflows, over $1.3 billion across providers like BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale and VanEck midweek, highlighting institutional rotation into ETH. Bitcoin ETFs saw mixed flows, heavy outflows early in the week, followed by late-week recovery of over $200 million. At its peak, the overall crypto market cap briefly exceeded $4 trillion as capital poured in. Analysts caution, however, after reaching $123K, Bitcoin slid 3% back, and altcoins also retreated. Market dominance shuffled. BTC dominance hovered around 60%, and further rotation into ETH could challenge that. Meanwhile on Capitol Hill, Crypto Week stalled as House Republicans and Democrats deadlocked on key bills like the Clarity Act and anti-CBDC measures, delaying the vote process. Crypto insiders emphasize that regulatory clarity remains crucial, and spotlights remain on House-Senate dynamics and an upcoming working group proposal on a possible strategic Bitcoin reserve. Institutional appetite extends beyond trading too. Nearly 100 publicly listed companies raised over $43 billion this summer solely to buy crypto for their treasuries, making headlines globally. At the same time, JP Morgan is evaluating loans collateralized by crypto assets, marking further mainstream acceptance. Security risks escalate. Crypto thefts in 2025 have already topped $2.17 billion, led by mega heists at exchanges like Bybit and CoinDCX. As institutional flows and treasury strategies expand, concerns about custody and fraud are growing. Looking ahead, if the Clarity Act clears the Senate and institutional demand continues, Bitcoin could revisit $123, $125K, and Ethereum may begin outperforming across ETFs. Until then, markets remain volatile. But one thing is clear: regulatory clarity and institutional adoption are now setting the rhythm for crypto markets.